Welcome to Our Daily Health. Dry nose. 16 effective home remedies to treat dry nose. Have you ever experienced the pain of a dry nose? It is caused by excessive water loss from the body, blowing your nose too often, smoking, and allergic rhinitis. People living in locations that experience excessive dryness are prone to developing this condition. It is painful and frustrating, and it can be challenging to manage. However, there are some effective home remedies for treating the disease effectively. In this video, let's explore 16 effective home remedies to treat dry nose. Let's dig in. Number 1. Sesame oil. Most people do not know that sesame oil alleviates nasal dryness, especially in winter. Tingling sensations are the worst symptoms in this condition. Sesame oil, when mixed with chamomile oil, can offer relief from your symptoms. Mix a few drops of both oils and apply them to your nose regularly for a few weeks for better results. Number 2. Saline water spray. Another way to treat nasal drying is through a saline spray. This remedy is straightforward and cost-effective. You only need to mix a little water with salt at home, store it in a spray bottle, and spray it in your nostrils regularly to alleviate your problem. You may also purchase saline drops from a pharmacy and use them as recommended. Number 3. Drink more water. This could have been the first on the list because water is a moisturizing source for you in cold and dry periods. Water helps your nasal tissues to function efficiently while avoiding drying out your nose. One research in 2018 suggests that the perfect way to stay hydrated is to drink whenever you are thirsty, apart from when you are undertaking intensive workouts. Number 4. Mustard oil. Mustard oil, when applied to your nose, can stop the dryness. Pour 2 or 3 drops of the oil in your nostrils and inhale gently to prevent it from slipping deep inside. Mustard oil will keep your nostril moisturized and also help maintain moisture in your nose. Repeat the process once daily before bedtime for a week. Number 5. Use a humidifier. This is one of the perfect home remedies to help treat your dry nose. A moist environment will also keep your nasal passages moist while relieving you from nasal congestion and allowing sinuses to drain properly. Ensure to clean your humidifier to prevent the growth of bacteria and mold. The ideal indoor humidity is 30 to 50% as per the room's temperature. Number 6. Steaming. If you don't have a humidifier, you can use steaming as an alternative way to keep your nose moist. You can use a bowl of warm water, shower, or sauna for the steam. If you choose to use a bowl of warm water, keep the water's temperature low or maintain distance to prevent scalding your skin. Number 7. Apply coconut oil. That's right, coconut oil is another way to keep your nose moistened. It also has innumerable benefits, such as maintaining nourished skin as well as alleviating skin problems. For you to use this remedy, warm a little coconut oil in deep cotton balls inside and place below your nostrils or around your nose. Do this twice a day, every day, for better results. If you are enjoying this video, then please like, comment, share, and subscribe to Our Daily Health. Number 8. Aloe vera gel. You already know the countless benefits of aloe vera, don't you? It has moisturizing and antibacterial properties that work wonders in alleviating nasal dryness. If you have the plant in your garden, break a leaf and cut it open to extract the gel. Apply the gel around your nose and in your nostrils. You can buy the gel from the supermarket if you don't have the plant at home. Number 9. Olive oil. Olive oil has moisturizing components that will moisten your nose, remove the crusts, and alleviate the dryness from your nose perfectly. It will offer you relief from pain, discomfort, and irritation associated with nasal dryness fast. You may use a dropper or dip cotton balls in the oil and rub your nose gently. Number 10. Glycerin. If you're wondering how glycerin will alleviate nasal dryness, here's the reason. According to one study, glycerin works as an emollient, which can treat atopic dry skin. you will need to put a few drops of glycerin inside your nose and lie backward. There is no risk in swallowing it because it is safe. The more times you use it, the better the results. Number 11. Rubbing a wet tissue in your nose is also a perfect remedy for a dry nose. Rubbing a wet tissue will help alleviate those uncomfortable symptoms of your condition. Wet tissues are available in the market. It would be best if you purchase a packet and store them in your house. Anytime you experience discomfort, rub your nose gently with the tissue. Number 12. Almond oil. As an excellent moisturizer, almond oil works perfectly for the skin and hair, and it can work wonders in removing the dryness in your nose. All you need to do is dip a cotton ball in the oil and rub your nose. You can do that in your nostrils too. There's no harm. It doesn't end there. You may also mix it with aloe vera gel and use it the same way. Number 13. Vitamin E oil. According to a National Library of Medicine study, vitamin E oil can moisten the skin and has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Another study published in November of 2018 showed that a type of vitamin E oil called alpha-tocopherol could alleviate pollen-induced allergic rhinitis, hydrate the nasal mucosa, relieve dryness, and alleviate the problem effectively. Number 14. Gardening and indoor plants. Isn't caring and growing indoor plants a beautiful and exciting idea? This simple exercise can maintain humidity in the air in your house because plants transpire. The water you feed them gets in the air through the leaves. To increase more moisture, you can spray the leaf with water. Number 15. Saline nasal wash. A saline nasal wash will help cleanse your sinuses and keep your nostrils humid all day. Use Himalayan salt instead of the usual table salt. It could have allergenic additives which can irritate your nose. Dissolve 2 tablespoons of salt in a glass of warm water. Instill a few drops of it in your left nostril as you cover the right one with your thumb. Inhale deeply and then blow it out. Repeat the same with your left nostril. Number 16. Herbal infused oils. Natural oils such as sesame oil, chamomile, and olive oil can be infused with herbs with soothing emollient and lubricants such as marigold, chamomile, and fenugreek. You can purchase these oils from the market and apply them around your nose and inside your nostrils regularly using your fingertips for effective results. Final word. A dry nose can cause sleepless nights because of the pain and the discomfort that comes with it. However, there are several natural ways that you can adapt to manage the problem. It would be best if you select a few of these home remedies and implement them. If your symptoms persist, don't hesitate to visit your ENT specialist to rule the problem. Which of these home remedies to treat dry nose do you like best? Comment your answer below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more health and wellness topics, please subscribe to Our Daily Health.